I gotta admit, I never thought I'd be taking from Peter to pay Paul. Is it Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo? Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo? Catch a condenser by the toe. I'm gonna guess that this is the one that's not working. One of 6 that services this home isn't functioning. Not blowing cold air. It's blowing, just not blowing cold air in the master bedroom suite. So, but they have 6 of them, and they're all R22 systems. I'll start with the furthest one, the largest in dimensional size. This is also a 48,000 BTU unit. This is 4 tons. This is a 30. That's 2.5. That's a 24. That's 2. This is also a 24. That's 2 ton. 2 ton and ton and a half. All right, I was wrong. It was not that one. Did I pick that one? Yeah, I picked that one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which condenser is the master bedroom suite? Not this one. It's actually this one. 18,000 BTU. Ruud. Manufacture date of February 2006. UAND 18JAZ. I love these rectangular Ruud Rheem units because the compressor's right there. The condenser fan motor is easy to get to. The contactor dual capacitor is in there. So it turns on, filled with vegetation, dead vegetation. So, you know, if the system runs and it's not cooling, get the tools and see what it does. I was actually hoping that it wouldn't turn on because then it's electrical, not refrigerant related. R22 is expensive, you know what I mean? It's awesome because I can legally take from another system as long as you own the system. So this one's not being utilized, one of 6. This one's got 108 PSI in it. This one has 72. We're gonna open up that side and we're gonna open up that side. And we are going to take refrigerant from this system and dump it into there. And then we're going to go into our Smart Probe app and we're going to fire up the system. Did they turn off? No, they're still on. Let me close that valve there. Continue. All right, so now we are at 84 PSI, still kind of low. Fascinating. Let's see how the system reacts. Got that valve slightly open, so we're charging from the other system. And eventually, there's not going to be enough in the other system to do anything. See, we're slowly dropping. This is from that system. $29, 30 degrees, 31, 32. Oh, well, there's a will, there's a will. All right, it's been a few minutes. We are now at 55 PSI and 160 with almost 6 degrees of subcooling. It's bouncing around a little bit. Almost to the point where it seems like I may have some non-condensables in the system, but let's close the valve coming from the other system. Drop down quick. Jumping back up again, maybe like a hunting TXV. Well, definitely better than when it was. All right, this is the best I'm gonna get it, given the condition I'm working with. Cooling, much better than it was before. Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor, I want you to pick up the phone and give me a call, 516-348-6300. And remember, every Friday from now until Labor Day of 2025, free hot dogs and popcorn and refreshments at my facility here at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere, New York. Come meet the team and see live fire demonstrations of some of the heating system that we install. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.